What's going on, people? So today's video is all about what banks does soft pulls. I'm sure everybody wants to know that, because who wants to waste an inquiry on a soft pull, right? Now, some of these banks do require hard pulls, and I'm going to say this 2 times so that way y'all can really understand this. If a bank requires a hard pull on an inquiry, do not, I repeat, do not ask for a credit increase. You do not want to waste an inquiry on a credit increase. Okay? Hope everybody understood that. Now, here I have a chart, and if y'all stay till the end of the video, I have another chart that's a sneak peek that I want to give y'all, so I can give y'all some gems. So here it shows all the banks, and if y'all want, y'all can pause the video, take a picture of this, so that way y'all can have and understand this, because y'all really need to understand who gives a hard pull, who gives a soft pull. And I'm going to give y'all a little bit of my own personal experience with one card that's on here that people are saying. Some say hard pull, some say soft pull. So American Express, as once you have the card, you can always do ask for a credit increase, and there will always be a soft pull. And the good part about American Express is, once you got the card one time, everything else is basically a soft pull. So if you ask for another card within like 3 months, it's a soft pull, it's not a hard pull, so it doesn't waste the inquiry. If you ask for a credit increase in 3 months, it's a soft pull, not a hard pull, so it doesn't waste the inquiry. So American Express is a very powerful company, to where you could gain a lot from using them. The next one is my lovely Chase. Chase I have a good relationship with, but I do have a problem with them doing a hard pull for a credit increase, which makes no sense to me. Because if you bank with Chase, if you have cards with Chase, then there should be no reason for them to do a hard pull if all your information is already in their database. But unfortunately, they do a hard pull if you ask for a credit increase. And I will tell y'all right now, I was one of the fools that actually did it, and I wound up getting denied. This was when I didn't know a lot about credit. I wound up getting denied due to the fact that I even pulled out, I think I had pulled out 3 cards that month, and then I asked for a credit increase, and that's why I got denied. So I didn't get denied because of lack of use of the card or my credit score. I just got denied because I had opened up cards at that same month, which is unfortunate. I wasted an inquiry on that. Barclays, hard pull. And Barclays, I'm telling you right now, do not ask for a credit increase. It's pointless. They don't even give you that much in funds with credit for you to even waste your time with asking for a credit increase with Barclays. Discover does do a soft pull, and I'm gonna tell y'all something about Discover. So Discover, basically, I had asked for a credit increase and I got denied. And the reason why I got denied is because I wasn't even using the card like that. I would barely use it, and they sent me the denied paper stating that I got denied due to lack of use. So I didn't get denied because of my credit score. I got denied because of lack of use. So what I did was, that same month, I wound up swiping it and spending $3K on equipment, and the equipment actually pays itself off. So that's the good part about it. But I swiped it, spent $3K, and I wrote in my calendar 30 days when to ask for a credit increase again. So on the 30th day, well, not even on the 30th day, I'm lying, on the 31st day, you know, you want to wait 30 days, and then the 31st day, I wind up going on my phone and asking for that credit increase again, and sure enough, I was approved, and they gave me my credit increase. So I went from $5,000 to $12,000. So Discover is definitely good with credit increases. Bank of America, soft pull also. They do soft pulls if you ask, but you must have at least 6 months of a relationship before even asking. So you want to use that card for 6 months straight. Use that card. Trust me, if they give you $5,000, use the $5,000, because trust me, they will reward you with a higher limit, way higher. And in 6 months, ask for a credit increase, and sure enough, you will get it if your credit score is up to par. Now here, Citibank. I love Citibank. I love Citibank. Citibank, usually you don't even have to ask for a credit increase. They normally just give it to you. There's been times where I look at my statement and I didn't even realize that I had got a credit increase. And then other times I wanted to do it, so I've done it. So credit with Citibank, they give you a soft pull. From my experience, it's a soft pull. And they are very good with giving credit increase as long as you use the card also. US Bank gives a soft pull. Wells Fargo's gives a soft pull. Wells Fargo's is another bank that's pretty good. If you use the card, like when I first got Wells Fargo's, I had $9,000 straight off from applying for them. So I was happy with that. And then I asked for a credit increase after 6 months, which it says here. It says it's best not to make a request until you've had your card for at least 6 months, which is very true. You want to build relationships with these companies. The only one that's pretty good with giving you a quick credit increase is American Express. But Wells Fargo's, I waited 6 months and I asked for the credit increase, no problem whatsoever. They gave me the credit increase, and now I got 14K on that card. So I'm happy with that. Cap One does soft pulls, and Navy Federal Credit Union, I'm not sure about. I can't speak on it because I don't have a Navy Federal Credit Union card, but it says here some state that it does soft pull, other state it does hard pulls. So the main reason for this video is because, take a picture of this. If you have any of these cards, remember, if you want a credit increase, look for the ones that do the soft pulls. And every 6 months, as long as you're using that card, ask for a credit increase and you shall get it. Okay, the more credit you have, the higher credit limit you have, the more your score goes up and the more banks will want to work with you. Now, before y'all leave, I told you I had something, a surprise for y'all at the end, right? I'm gonna show y'all business. Okay, now we're gonna do this real short and simple because I don't want to keep y'all too long. But here it shows for business credit cards. Now here there's an issue because this is what reports on your credit report. So if you're looking for a business credit card, you see the ones that have yellow here, those are the ones you do not want to apply for. I repeat, you do not want to apply for the ones that are in yellow. Why? Because they all report to your personal account, your personal report. So as far as business, remember, with business you want to spend as much as you can. So if you spend 20K, it goes on your personal credit card, and that's no bueno. You do not want that. So real quick, Barclays, don't go for a Barclays business card. Bank of America, it states that it doesn't report to the personal, which is good. Capital One, don't apply for a Capital One business credit card. Discover, don't apply for a business Capital One credit card. State Farm, don't apply because it definitely goes on there, and then it shows TD Bank business credit card does go to report to your personal credit card. But see, the great thing about it, everything else is all goes to your business report. So therefore, those are the cards you want to apply for because you want to use that card as much as possible. If you have to start up a 50K business, You do not want to start up a 50K business, swipe the card for 50K, and then next thing you know, that goes on your personal report, which hurts it very bad. So again, if you want to take a picture of this, take a picture real quick. But majority of them are good. Like I said, Citi Business is good, Chase is good, Bank of America is good, American Express is good. So those, Wells Fargo's is good. And for Wells Fargo's, real quick, Wells Fargo's is definitely great because they give you, but on the personal side, they give you about 18 months 0 APR. On the business side, they give you 9 months 0 APR, which is excellent. So if you wanted to, start up a business with Wells Fargo's, you got 9 months to establish that. Most of the other companies do not do that. But, definitely Wells Fargo's is stepping up their game and they're getting better. And the same thing with the personal side. You have 18 months of 0 interest. So you could do a lot of things with Wells Fargo's credit cards. I hope this video was very helpful for y'all. If y'all did find knowledge and gained it, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Also, if you need to send this to a friend, a family member that's having issues, send it over. And also, I will leave my email in the description below. And don't be hesitant to email me. Email me with all your questions. And if you're scared to email me, then just leave a comment below and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. All right. Till next time, people. Peace.